Okay. What are those? What's that?
Mix.
Cement mixer. What's that?
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck. Those are big trucks, huh?
Big truck. That's big truck.
What are those?
Crane.
Crane. What's that?
What's that?
Fire truck. What's that one? Is that another fire truck?
What's that?
Yep. What about that?
Gator.
Grader. What is it?
What's that?
Roller.
Big crane.
Big crane. What about that?
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. What about those? Is that a loader?
Big rock.
Yeah, loader with a big rock. What's that? Dump truck.
Big one.
That's an excavator. Yeah. What about those?
Crane.
Ah, crane. What's that one? Is that a tow truck? That's a van. What's that? What's that? Now come up here. Okay, there we go. What is that? What's that right there? What? You're looking for what? What's that? What's that? There's a rock? It's a green truck or tractor? What's that? That's an excavator? What's that one? Is it a four-wheeler? Yeah, four-wheeler. What's that one? What's that right there? Hey, good job. It's a garbage truck. What's that one? Backhoe. Good job. And that's a, what is that? Yeah, it's a fire truck. It goes the other way. It goes the other way. Yeah, that's a little kid. Yep, that's a little kid too. And another little kid dressed like a builder. Yep, and that's a little kid dressed like a firefighter. Yep, and he's dressed like a farmer. What's that? Right there. Oh, that's a rock. Hold on, don't close back hand in it. Oh, you want to read the other book? Oh, I'll get it.
Wow.
Whoa. What are all those things? What's that? What's that? What is it? What's that?
Oh.
What's that? What's that?
Motorcycle.
What's that?
Time.
What's that?
Cycle.
What about that?
Oh.
What are those?
Tooth.
Oh, what's that?
Cookie.
What's that?
Goat.
What's that? What's that?
Flower.